Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling. Pleasure to have you along for this video. Hopefully it's not the first one you've checked out on our channel, as we have lots of videos, so please do have a look. We've got everything from styling to repairs, hydro dipping, all sorts of different vehicles, bits and pieces on the channel, so do check out some of the other videos. Of course, if you're checking out this one, I would probably suggest having a look at some of the other pickup trucks we've done. So we've got everything from the Ford Rangers, the VW Amaroks and the Mitsubishi L200s as well, so check out a few of them. We've also got the van styling, so that might be of interest as well. But on this occasion, we have in with us for the rest of this week a brand spanking new Ford Ranger Wildtrak in the agate black. So real pleasure to have this in with us for this customer. He's come to see us so we can turn this into a Black Stag Edition. So start with the front of the vehicle. We have got a brand new grille to go on, so a matte black grille. That's going to have our Black Stag shield in the centre, so that's going to look really smart. Moving down the sides of the vehicle, of course, we have our 55mm colour-coded wheel arches. This has got the park assist, so it has different arches to go on the front to accommodate the park assist sensors. So we've got the new arches to go on, that's a 55mm, so not the extremes, but these will look really smart on this. We have, of course, then got the wheel and tyre upgrade. So we've got some black Rhino alloy wheels with Cooper AT3 all-terrain tyres as well to go on. We've then also got the front and rear light surrounds. So they're in a matte black, just to make the lights look a little bit more aggressive as well. And then we are also removing the Wildtrak decals from the sides, the Ranger decal from the back, and then adding our Black Stag Edition decals on both sides. I think that's it. So yeah, stay tuned for this one, going to be a good one. Do love our pickup trucks, as you know. Don't forget, do like and subscribe to the old channel, and turn on the old notifications, stay fully up to date with what we're doing. We'll get this into the workshop, so without any more messing around or talking, we're going to roll the old intros, get it into the workshop. See you in a mo.
Right, we've got all the parts here ready for the Ford Ranger. Got a lovely matte black new grille being fitted. We're going to have a new badge in the middle here with our Black Stag emblem on. Lovely, going to look good. We've then got the 20-inch black Rhino wheels with the Cooper AT3 tyres on. Good solid tyre. Lovely big wheels, going to look nice on there. And then we have light surrounds for the front and back being fitted in matte black. They look lovely. And then the 55mm wheel arches. Looking good, hey? Got the holes pre-drilled for the parking assist and the parking sensors. So yeah, looking good. Gonna look nice on there. Nice Ranger Wildtrak supplied by Tyson Cooper, who do vehicle supplying and car leasing, that sort of thing. We'll crack on and get it all on. Lovely.
Right, okay, so we're now removing the original front grille. Paul's on the case for this now, ready so we can fit the new grille. Right, we're just going to see how Rob's getting on as he is now swapping the valves for the new wheels. So, right, we'll see how he's doing. How you doing there, Rob?
Hello.
Hello, pal. Superb. So we're just fitting the, so we're taking the valves and TPMS sensors out of the original brand new wheels, which are just sitting here, and swapping them into the Black Rhino wheels so that the original Ford TPMS system works correctly with the vehicle. So there we go. Lovely looking wheels these, along with lovely looking Rob. Isn't that right, mate?
Cool. He's a lovely little lad, really.
Oh, lovely.
Hey, Robert. Yeah. Lovely job, mate.
Perfect, there we go. First one, or that one in, and just get the TPMS sensor all on the back of it. Excellent job, Rob. Right, I'll leave you to it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if there's any styling things we can help you with your vehicles. Check out the website at blackstagstyling.co.uk. Thank you very much. Here is the pickup. Paul's just doing the arches, which we'll have a look at in a moment. Okay, so Paul is now getting the arch all bonded up, ready to go onto the pickup truck. So we're just going to see how he's doing with that. We like to bond on the arches, mate, don't we, as well?
Yeah, until not to fall off.
So use the sort of sticky tape as a guide, really, isn't it? And then the bond will just make sure they don't move anywhere. So this is the one for the near side front. You can see Paul's marked it all up as well. So we've got the guides just to make sure that it lines up perfectly with the arch. Now about to get that on. It's that special blow, isn't it, mate? Lucky blow. There we go, they'll just line up with the marks. Obviously this is pen that will come off when we're all done, just in case anyone's not too sure. I'll have a look. We've got the grille on, so grille's all now on, looking smart. And then the other arches, Paul has fitted the others as well. So we've got the other front one, got two sections to it, a lower section because it's got park assist, which is the parking sensors on the sides of the front bumper. And rear one on as well, look, there we go. Wheels are all on as well. Looking smart. Just got a few more bits. We've got the light surrounds and the decals on the sides to remove and fit our Black Stag decals as well. We've got our crest to go on the front grille as well. So we'll be cracking on with that in a moment. Is it going on all right, Paul?
Yes, thanks, on.
Lovely. There we go. There you go. Just remove the tape, the pen marks. That's all that now lined up. Lovely.
Right, now getting the rear light surrounds on the Ranger. We've put a little bit of extra tape in here just to make sure they never come off, you know. We've sort of pre-marked it on here, just test fitted it, pre-marked it, so we know exactly where that's going to go.
Line these little bad boys up.
Yeah. Here we go. Good firm press on. And they'll never go nowhere, will they? It's quite different, so doesn't it, to the vehicle?
It does. They do look smart, the old light surrounds. And there we go. Top job, pal. Top job.
Thank you very much.
Hello there, mate.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
All good. All good. Come and see how you get on.
Oh, mate, yeah, we're doing all right. We're now just putting the matte black stickers on the Ranger. With our Black Stag little decals that go on as well. They go about here once I've got the sticker on.
Superb.
Come with me and have a little look at the other side.
Yes, we've looked.
I all done the other side,
Take
you
us
see.
around the other side.
Come on, mate. Yeah, looks good. It's quite subtle, being the matte black on black, but it's just enough to, make a nice little addition to the truck.
That looks cool, doesn't it? As you look smart as you move along with it.
Yeah.
Let's say the matte black will go well with the grille.
Our little Black Stag decals there. Looking good, hey?
Looking real smart. We've just got the one for the grille, haven't we?
Yeah, got Black Stag emblem going on the grill.
Superb.
Yeah, lovely job. Crack on.
We'll let you carry on the other side.
I'll do the other side back out. All on there.
Actually, around the light side.
I'll see you on the other side.
Hi guys, and thanks as always for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. It's been a pleasure to have you along for this one because it is a rather important video for us. Along with the van we've done very recently, which is on another video on our channel of a Black Stag Edition vehicle. This has been a Black Stag Edition pickup. So as you've seen, it's a brand new Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now a Black Stag Edition, so we've done a few bits and pieces to this, as you've seen. I suppose starting with the front of the vehicle, of course we have supplied and fitted a Predator front grille. Of course, changing the badge for our crest, our Black Stag crest. So that's looking really cool. Then of course, moving down the sides of the vehicle, we have of course supplied and fitted the 55mm colour-coded wheel arches. This one's got park assist, so you've got little parking sensors on the sides of the bumper as well. So they've been all fitted and bonded onto the vehicle. That's the difference, of course, they're bonded on, so they're not going to come away whilst the customer uses and washes the vehicle. We've then also supplied the black Rhino chase alloy wheels, awesome 20-inch matte black alloy wheels, just really finished the vehicle off with the Cooper AT3 all-terrain tyres. We've then got the matte black light surrounds of course as well, debadged the rest of the vehicle, so the Wildtrak off the front, off the sides and the back, and of course the Ranger decal as well off the back. All of that removed, making it a bit more stealth, and then our Black Stag Edition decals added to the sides of the vehicle. Really finishes this off, looks the absolute nuts really, this one, really pleased with this. So anything like this that's of interest to you, give us a shout at Black Stag Styling. Have yourself a Black Stag Edition vehicle. Check out the van on the channel as well, because that looks really smart. It's Black Stag Edition. As always, thanks for watching the video. Do remember to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the old notifications and stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Give us a shout if we can help with anything. Loads of links down below. Why not purchase some of our merch? You can do that at the links down below as well. We'll catch you again soon for another video, we hope. Take care. We're going to give you another look around the vehicle, of course, to finish off the video, and we will see you again soon. Take care.